Hello friends. If you have heard about ChatGPT, but not sure how to use it, this video is going to be very informative for you. Welcome to your channel, The Brainy Potato, where you can find interesting videos related to the latest technologies and apps to boost your knowledge. Artificial intelligence is one of the most talked about topics these days. However, it is not something new. We have grown up watching movies like The Terminator and Matrix, thinking that AI will take over the world and make us slaves. Well, not anytime soon. If we can create it, we can control it. Besides, we can deploy it in different areas to make tasks less tiresome and more efficient. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use ChatGPT for content creation, thereby saving your time and effort. Before we move ahead, let's discuss what is ChatGPT in the first place. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot tool created by OpenAI, and it rolled out in November 2022. This tool has the ability to create human-like conversational responses, answer queries, and create different forms of content, such as blogs, articles, essays, social media posts, emails, and codes. Below are some of the most applauded advantages of ChatGPT that can benefit content creators. Watch this video until the end as it has some bonus tips for you. Number 1. ChatGPT is an excellent tool for content research. If you are having trouble finding relevant results for your research, you can simply ask ChatGPT. It will provide relevant answers to your queries, regardless of how your question is phrased. Next comes the time-saving benefit. It takes only a few seconds for the ChatGPT to generate high-quality content based on your input. All you need is to command your AI tool to write an ad script, story, marketing copy, or business document, and it produces the result in no time. In addition to it, if you want to make the most out of your content marketing efforts, ChatGPT has got you covered. It generates plagiarism-free and grammatically correct content with better readability, thus meets all the important parameters of a better performing content. The conversational tone of the content makes it more engaging and helps you attain a better user experience, an important SERP ranking metric. Getting started with ChatGPT step-by-step procedure. Now that you know how incredible a tool ChatGPT is, let's see how this tool can work wonders for writers. You can access this AI tool on your internet browser. Moreover, ChatGPT app is available on Google Play. You can download ChatGPT and access it on your mobile device as well. The below stated steps can guide your way through utilizing the tool. Step 1. Create your account on OpenAI. First things first, you need to create an OpenAI account to sign up for ChatGPT. When on the sign up page, enter your email address and choose a strong password. Thereafter, you will be prompted to verify your email address. By clicking on the link, you will be redirected to your Gmail, wherein you will see the verification email. Open it, and click on the Verify Email Address link. Step 2. Fill in your details to complete your account. Once your email is verified, you need to enter your information in the specified areas to complete the sign-up process. Below is how. On the Tell Us About You page, enter your first name and last name to move ahead. Thereon, enter your date of birth and click Continue. Step 3. Verify your mobile number. After entering the required information, you need to verify your mobile number. On the next screen, you will be prompted to verify your phone number. Once you enter your number, you will be asked if you use WhatsApp or not. If yes, you can get a verification code on the entered mobile number. Enter it in the verification box and move ahead. Step 4. Preview and agree to the terms and conditions. Right after the mobile number verification, you will be redirected to the ChatGPT website interface. Here, you will see a few prompts to preview and agree to the terms and conditions. In the first place, you will see the free research preview that tells you how it can produce erroneous content at times and elaborates on how external feedback can help it improve. Click the Next button. In the next screen, it explains to users about its data collection policy and also advises them not to share their sensitive information. Hit Next again to move ahead. The last screen prompts users to submit their feedback if they found the responses useful or not. You can click on the Discord server to submit your feedback. Click Done to finish. Step 5. Put ChatGPT to use. After agreeing to the given terms and conditions, you can perform ChatGPT login and start using it. When on the ChatGPT interface, you can enter your content title and other specific instructions, or place your query to get it answered. Click the arrow-shaped button against the search query and the tool will generate the relevant content. Hope you have enjoyed this video and now aware about what ChatGPT is used for. Bonus: you can also create scripts using ChatGPT 4 and start your YouTube journey. People are earning good with it, so you can too. Please like this video, give your comments. Subscribe to this channel for more exciting and informative contents. Thanks for watching.